Hi, and welcome back to today's More Report Charter Appraisals on Wednesday, the 27th of April, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. On FOMC day, let's have a look at the euro-dollar chart, and we've still got a bit of a gain in this euro in the last couple of days. We started to sort of find this this rally, and I still think that this could be a rally that's likely to just roll over again, because I can see these momentum indicators and price indicators also sort of rolling over lower high and a lower low, and I still think this bounce is likely to sort of roll over. Interestingly enough, yesterday we saw the resistance coming in around this sort of old pivot line that was the breakout, and then subsequent support moved to the downside, but then yesterday that came back in as the basis of resistance. Today it could be the same thing. Yesterday's high 1338, today's high just underneath that. We've had this slight strengthening in the dollar, in the euro-dollar chart in front of the FOMC, but I don't imagine we're going to get too much further direction. It's up 20 odd pips at the moment, and obviously the FOMC is going to be the big caveat to any sort of assessment on the technicals today. You're not likely to get too much of direction from the FOMC in terms of, certainly not a rate hike, but you might get a tweak of the statement, but again, nothing really too significant. But what we are seeing in front of that is a slight rebound in the euro dollar, which is interesting because that shows dollar weakness, which would suggest maybe the market isn't all that expecting a great deal. But technically speaking, as I said, I'm still sort of looking at this 1395 reaction high, which was the ECB day. That was that reaction high of 1395 during the ECB press conference, and then turned lower on a dovish ECB. I still think that the sort of mood is more one of correction, I think, in the euro dollar at the moment. Nothing too significant, but I mean, generally speaking, I'm still looking out for a reaction back towards sort of 111, 112 area. And I'd be then looking out for the next buy signal in that. However, sort of near term, we have had this sort of move higher. Will it sort of start to find resistance again around that 1330, 1340 area, which was the sort of old pivot? It'll be interesting to see, but I'm still not expecting too much direction in front of the FOMC. So looking at the hourly chart, you can see that. Move, and it certainly looks like the pressure is to the downside. Is to the upside. So I will wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.